Hello there. Welcome to today's today's Forex analysis. Yeah, so I'll be analyzing the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. So, but before we go into the analysis, I want to let you know that you can get free Forex signals from me. Yes, you can get free Forex signals from Mike Earn on the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Yes, you can get free Forex signals from Mike Earn on the Mike Earn Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description below. So go to the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site or load the link. It will take you to the Telegram channel. Join the channel and expect Forex trading signals. Now the Forex trading signals that are posted there are very profitable. So, and for now it is free. For now it is free. So don't miss out on this. Don't miss out on this. For now it is free. And don't think because it is free it's not valuable. Trust me, it is very, very valuable, and it will help you grow your trading accounts big time. I'm talking massively. So don't miss out on that at all. Don't miss out on it at all. Once again, the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site or load the link. It will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and I think it's called the Mike Earn Free channel. So when you join the channel, expect the trades that I give, the trades that I send there are massively profitable. They are profitable trades that will help you to grow your trading account, a lot. I'm talking big time. So don't miss out on this at all. Don't miss out on it at all. So yeah, so let's get into the analysis now. We're starting with the Euro-USD currency pair. So now with the Euro-USD, what are we looking out for? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame and see. We can see that market came into this channel support that I drew over here. Now I can't remember clearly if I drew this channel support before this pin bar formed, but I think I actually did. I think I did. So now we see that the market has come into that zone and it's currently selling off. That's what the weekly is telling us. So let's look at the monthly quickly too. Well, the same thing going on basically. So now, what should we expect from this? What should we expect from this? Now, I just want to check this out. So it appears like there's actually a trend. There's a valid trend line over here, but we're going to leave that for now. Let's go down to the daily time frame to see what to expect going forward. So the daily time frame will be the daily time frame will be the execution time frame. I hope you understand that. Yeah, daily time frame will be the execution time frame for this analysis. That is, it will be the time frame that you'll be taking the trade on. So now, what I would expect is this: if price comes into this 1.14522 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, right? And I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy. I'll suggest you go for a one-to-one buy right now. I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy rather. If it happens, go for a one-to-one buy. Now the reason I'm saying one-to-one buy is that sincerely I'm not sure where the market is headed. I don't know if if the market is about to drop or is about to buy. So with this big bearish move, probably is about to drop, but we also have this big bullish move over here and the market didn't go too far before it started selling off here. So now I'll just play it safe by telling you to go for a buy and go for a one-to-one buy and just end it there. Let it be a one-to-one buy and nothing more, right? That's one-to-one risk reward buy there. So that means the bullish candle that comes into the zone and then gives us a bullish day close above this zone, the low of that candle will be your stop loss, and the close of it will be your entry. So you go for one-to-one RR. I hope you understand that. So in another scenario, if price comes into this 1.18112 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Yeah, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, and I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one RR sell. Go for a one-to-one RR sell and end it there. Or if you are, if market, or if you are aggressive, you can hold. Would I call it aggressive? If you have faith that it could do more than one-to-one RR, you can hold till it comes into this 1.17111 zone. So that is what I would suggest. If price comes from this, if price pushes up, right? If price pushes up and comes into this 1.18112 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, and I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell, or if you are willing, you can hold till it comes into this 1.17111 zone. So now, what you need to know is that you shouldn't take any of these scenarios if you shouldn't take any of these scenarios with more money than you're willing to lose. I hope you understand that. So it's very important that you take note of this. And if you would like to know if I'll be taking any trade on that, or from this analysis, or if I'll be looking out for any trade or taking any trade on the EURUSD currency pair, you can find out on the Mike and Free channel. Join the Mike and Free channel. The link is in the description below. So now, for the GBPUSD currency pair, what should we expect? It's looking quite similar to the EURUSD. So now, what should we expect from GBPUSD right now? Well, what I would expect is this. Well, for now, market seems to be making a slow bullish move. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Nothing significant, or would I say nothing to take note of. From my perspective right now. So now, what I would suggest is this. Now, if price comes into the zone, this is the daily time frame, our execution time frame in this analysis. If price comes into the zone, this 1.31608 zone, or rather, let's just look at these zones, two zones together, since they are close. If price comes into either of the 1.31608 zone or the 1.31166 zone, and then gives us a bullish close above any of those zones, right? If it gives us a bullish day close above any of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy, right, at either of those zones. And even if price comes into this 1.31166 zone and then gives us and closes, if the candle that comes in contact with this zone still closes above this 1.31608 zone, then it is still very valid as well, right, as long as it's a bullish close. So go for one-to-one RR if price comes into either of those scenarios. I hope you understand that. Go for one-to-one RR. I'll suggest you just go for one-to-one RR only, and don't try to go for more than that. So now, in another scenario, if price comes into this 1.37472 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. and I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. Yes, go for a 1-to-1 RR sell in this particular scenario, and don't go for more than that. If price comes into this 1.37472 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR sell and let it end there. So that would be my suggestion. That would be my prediction on that particular one. So that is it for GBPUSD. Let's move on to the next one, which is the USDCHF currency pair. So now for USDCHF, what should we expect? Let's take a look at the weekly. This market has been very bearish, so it's very clear that this is a bearish market. That is not disputed. It's very clear. So now, even on the monthly, we can see that clearly. So now let's go down to the daily time frame. Now, so we see that price is currently at an important zone. This zone has sent the market up for several pips, right? Over here, it was over 200 pips. So this market has sent price up for several pips. So is it going to hold? Is it now going to hold as a resistance and probably send the market down? So several pips as well. Well, we will eventually find out. But now, for my prediction, what I'll look out for is this. Let me look for something precise here. Okay, so now I think this is something more precise over here. This is a more precise zone, I think, or close to one though. It's quite precise, I'll say. So now what I would suggest is this. If price comes into this zone, right, if price comes into this 0.78742 zone, and if it comes into that zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a 1-to-1 RR sell, or you can hold till it comes into this 0.77155 zone. I hope you understand that. So, and I would not suggest that you go below that, or I would not suggest that you expect it to go below that, or that I would not suggest that you hold the trade for it to go below that, because although it's a very bearish market, I'm just very skeptical. That's what I'll say. I'm just very skeptical of holding it, hoping for more bearish movement. So I'll just suggest that if price comes into the 0.78742 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, that you should sell and go for a 1-to-1 or hold till it comes into the zone. And if you're holding till it comes into the 0.77155 zone, then I would suggest that when price goes beyond the 1-to-1, you move your stop loss to break even. So that you don't so that in case market reverses, you don't lose your money. I hope you understand that. Yeah, so you don't lose your money in that scenario if case market reverses. So another scenario I might be looking out for, I don't think that is visible, that cannot be visible on the daily time frame. So I think I have to zoom out to the weekly. Yeah, I have to zoom out to the weekly. I have to zoom out, but don't forget our execution time frame is the daily time frame. So don't forget that. So now if price moves lower, let's do this. If price comes from if price drops, right, and comes into the zone, which is the 0.70867 zone, If price drops and comes into the 0.70867 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right? I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy and be on the safe side. I hope you understand that. Yes, the market will be coming very low and probably might, have a significant push up, like buyers might rush in, but just to be on the safe side, just you just have to, I'll suggest that you go for just a 1-to-1 RR in this particular scenario if it actually plays out. Once again, if price comes low and comes into the 0.70867 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy. So that is what I'll be suggesting on that one. That will be my prediction for that. So that is that for the USDCHF currency pair. Now, quickly, don't forget concerning the USDCHF currency pair. Yes, I did this analysis on the weekly, this particular one, because it was not visible on the daily. But don't forget that the daily is still the execution time frame. So now let's move on to the next one, which is the USDJPY currency pair. Now, USDJPY, what's happening? What's happening with USDJPY? USDJPY is really looking good. Yeah, really looking good, I must say. So, what's happening with USDJPY? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Okay. What about the monthly? Let's see the monthly too. It looks good, but let's go down to the daily to see our expectation. So now what I'll be expecting is this. If price comes from this, if price comes into the zone, which is a 158.823 zone, and then it gives a bearish day close below that zone, right? I'll suggest that you go for a sell. If price comes into this 158.823 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. And I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. And the reason is simple. The market looks very bullish. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, so see what I'm saying. The market looks very bullish right now. So I'll suggest that you just go for a 1-to-1 RR sell and just take your profit and end it there. That's if it's if it ends up profitable. So just go for a 1-to-1 RR sell in this particular scenario. Now in another scenario, if price comes into the zone, which is the 151.781 zone, I'll quickly check. Okay, I just wanted to check where I got that zone from. So now if price comes into this 151.781 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Now you can go for a 1-to-1 RR buy, you can go for a 1-to-2 RR, and I don't think I would advise you going for more than a 1-to-2 RR, but you can still, if you believe it's going to go beyond 1-to-2, you can hold if you want to. Hold till it gets to 1-to-3 or till it comes back or till it gets into this 158.823 zone, or you can hold indefinitely, because this might be the next. You can hold indefinitely to see if you might have caught the next bullish move, or let's say the next bullish impulse or something like that, the next move that will be really bullish. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So you can hold indefinitely if you want to, but don't forget that if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR, I'll suggest that you move your stop loss to break even when price gets to 1-to-1 RR, and you can hold and see how far it goes. So that'll be my suggestion on that. scenario. But I don't suggest that you go for more than a 1 to 2 hour. I hope you understand that. Why am I saying that? Well, I'm just playing it safe. Sincerely, I'm just playing it safe. Right? I'm just playing it safe. It's important that you don't overstay your welcome in trades. I hope you get what I'm talking about. So that is that for the USDJPY currency pair. So now before I go, I'd like to remind you that I can help you. So before I go, I'd like to remind you that I can help you manage your Forex trading account. If you want me to help you manage your Forex trading account, you can reach out to me. My link, the link to my DM on Telegram will be in the description below. So you can use the link, you can copy the link in the description below. Yeah, the link to my DM on Telegram will be in the description below. You can copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site or load the link, and it will bring you into my DM, and you can let me know that yes, I want you to manage my Forex account for me, and I will do so. I hope you understand that. So I tell people that that if I manage your account, you will get between 5 to 15% profit monthly, right? But of course, you can make I can make more than that for you, but that's just being conservative. I hope you understand that. So that's just being conservative. You can reach out to me. If 5 to 15% sounds good to you, then you can reach out to me. The link to my DM on Telegram is in the description below. If 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, you can reach out to me. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. So reach out to me and let's talk, and I'll let you know everything you need to know. So go to the description below and copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, and visit the site or load the link, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and we can chat and have the conversation and say everything we need to say. So now, yeah, that is that for that. I also want to remind you that I give free Forex signals. I give free Forex signals on the Mike and free channel. I give free Forex signals on the Mike and free channel. So if you would like to get free Forex signals on the Mike and if you'd like to get free Forex signals from me, you can go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Mike and free channel, and paste it in your browser, load the link, or visit the site, and it will bring you to the Mike and free channel on Telegram, and you can join the channel and expect the signals. Listen to this. The trading signals that I give on this channel are very profitable. See, you don't want to miss out on this. Forget the fact that it is free. Rather, I'm saying, don't think because it is free, it is not going to be good. Trust me, it is worth your time, it is worth everything, and it's really going to help you grow your money. So you don't want to miss out on this. You do not want to miss out on this. So go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Mike and channel or the Mike and free channel on Telegram, paste it in your browser, and visit the site or load the link, and it will bring you to the Mike and free channel on Telegram, and you can join the channel and expect the Forex signals. This will really help you. This will help you to grow your money. This will help you to grow your Forex accounts so much, so much, so much, so much. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. Please do not miss out on this. Please, I beg you, do not miss out on this. Do not miss out on this at all. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. You can go ahead and like this video, share, comment. You can ask me any question, and also you can also don't forget to join the Telegram channel, the Mike and free Telegram channel. Don't forget to join that as well. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.